Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I too believe that this was a mistake by Anthony Joshua, a man that I otherwise like, but of course this was a mistake, and a man of his sagacity, of his global knowledge, of his level of intelligence cannot claim not to know the political undertone of what he did. And Femi Fani-Kayide seems to agree with me, as guys I bring you this. Fani-Kayide attacks Anthony Joshua for prostrating before Buhari in London. So that's the headline. Fani-Kayide attacks Anthony Joshua for prostrating before Buhari in London. So now let's see now what the Yoruba man has to say. Femi Fani-Kayide, former aviation minister, has condemned Anthony Joshua's behavior when he met President Muhammadu Buhari. Joshua, during his meeting with Buhari on Saturday in London, prostrated whilst presenting his world title belt to the president. A video showing Anthony Joshua prostrating before Buhari is in circulation. Joshua reclaimed the IBF, WBA and WBO titles from Andy Ruiz Jr. on Saturday night, whilst Wilder will defend his WBC title against Tyson Fury in February. Fani-Kayide, however, condemned his behavior, describing it as a shame. According to him, Anthony Joshua's behavior prostrating before Buhari is utterly repulsive and disgusting. The former minister stressed that he is no longer a fan of the boxing champion due to his actions. Fani-Kayide on his Twitter wrote, "I find this picture and Anthony Joshua's behavior utterly repulsive and disgusting. Prostrating before his slave master and a bloodthirsty dictator, and someone who is viciously prosecuting and humiliating his people. What a crying shame. This speaks volume. He has lost me." So Fani-Kayide has taken this position, and I am not too far off that position. So I am willing to concede, but I am not fully with Fani-Kayide, by the way, that Anthony Joshua has lost me, because I do like Anthony Joshua, but I am willing to concede that this guy was misdirected and misguided and misadvised, rather than him cynically doing this thing for business opportunities, because this was of course a business opportunity. That prostrating for Buhari, that's a business opportunity right there, because he must of course know the dollar value of that move that he made. But of course, who guided him to make that move is really where the question is. Is it Abike Dabiri, that woman that purports to be the diaspora lead person, that always flashes her name up anytime that international Nigerians are being spoken about? Is she the one that guided him and said, look, you do this and there's $1 million at the end of it? Is it Anthony Joshua's father who is telling him to do this, that look, you do this for me and then I will go to Abuja and collect the contracts? But definitely, there's definitely a dollar note to that move, and that dollar note of course is what disappoints me the most. Conversations in the comment section. Anthony Joshua in the Idobale position to the Malamis. This upsets Fani-Kayide, and it certainly upsets me too. But does it upset you as well, or do you read it completely differently from my take on it, or my take on it? Come tell me what your take or take on it is in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of Anthony Joshua adopting the Idobale position to Mallam Buhari in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.